One thing I think we can all relate to as guys is the sneaking fear of losing our hair. I mean, hair is our identity, so starting to see it thin can be pretty scary. Sure, there are plenty of good looking bald men out there. My dad is one, but let's be real, no one wants to lose their hair. That's why today I'm excited to share the routine that completely saved my hair. Y'all, I'm not lying. My hair is now thicker, shinier, and I've even managed to grow back some of my thinning areas. So if you've been struggling with thin, dull hair or hair loss, this video is for you. First, let me show you some before and after photos so you can see the difference for yourself. As you can see, my hair was thin, especially around the top of my scalp, but now just look at the transformation. It's thicker, shinier, and much healthier overall. So let's not waste any time and dive right into the routine and the new products that made all the difference. We're gonna break it down step by step. Now first, I think it's important to point out that I wasn't balding. Honestly, my whole family has thin hair, and when it comes to curls, thin hair is not really a great match. Curls often lay all over the place, and in my case, most of my hair flows away from my crown, leaving it to look pretty rough up there. So one huge change that I made to my routine was implementing rosemary water. You could do some research for yourself, but the natural properties found in rosemary water boost hair growth by stopping the hormones that cause hair loss. It also improves blood flow to your roots, acting as an antioxidant and reducing scalp inflammation, which all leads to a healthier scalp and stronger hair. Guys, rosemary water is very affordable, and a few brands such as Camille Rose and As I Am offer their own products for under $10. I definitely recommend both of those brands, but if you're like me, you can also make some at home. In mine, I have rosemary, ginger, and cloves, which all have pretty similar benefits for the hair and scalp, and also I add a bit of mint for a nice refreshing scent. This rosemary water, y'all, I use almost every single day. It's being used 6 days a week currently, and I use it as a refresher in the morning, after showers, and really anytime I have to use product in my hair. And when I am applying it, I generally spray quite a few times to ensure that I'm covering my whole head. Once I've done that, I spend about a minute massaging it into my scalp, making sure that I'm very thorough. Then once I finish, I usually just put some styling gel in my hair and pretty much do the rest of my routine. Now, if you guys haven't seen my routine, I'm gonna link a video right here, but wait to the end of this one because there's some pretty good stuff that you don't want to miss. Now, it's only been about a month since I first started using rosemary water, and I can definitely see the difference in my hair and how it feels. So although this isn't instantly gonna grow your hair back, it is definitely one piece of the puzzle. Moving on, the biggest change I made to my routine was adding 3 essential oils and this Dermastamp. Now, this may not be for everybody, but this routine has gotten me some pretty crazy results in just a few weeks. So if y'all are looking for hair thicker than Ice Spice, in my opinion, this is the best way. Before we start, a few things that you need to know about this Dermastamp is first, it will definitely feel uncomfortable the first few uses, but the pain should never go above a 5. So if it does, stop because you're probably doing something wrong. Number 2, to effectively use this, you want to choose a length between 0.5 and 1.5 millimeters. I would recommend starting at 0.5 for the first few weeks, then work your way up because it's all about baby steps. Number 3 is you should only do this routine once a week. Your scalp needs recovery time, so doing this any more often can cause some damage. We don't want that. We're supposed to be fixing our hair, not damaging it. So only once a week. Number 4 is disinfect your stamp after every use with isopropyl alcohol, then rinse that with water when it's dry. Remember, cleanliness is next to hairiness. If you want good hair, stay clean, motherfucker. Finally, for number 5, you want to wait at least 6 hours before applying any product, which is why I do this on Sunday, a no product day for me. Now that we've got the ground rules, let's run through the routine. For me, the only areas I use the stamp are on my hairline and at the top of my scalp. I gently place it where I want to stamp. Then when I have it in the spot I want, I apply pressure. You want to do each spot that you need to cover 3 to 6 times, then move on to the next spot. For me, this process only takes about 3 minutes, and once I finish, I make sure to disinfect my stamp. Then it's time to apply my oils. In this bowl here, I have a mix of 3 essential oils: coconut, rosemary, and castor oil. This blend provides moisture, strengthens the follicles, and on top of that has anti-inflammatory properties, which are especially helpful after dermastamping. I apply these oils with a cotton pad to ensure cleanliness, and honestly at this point when applying the oils, it should feel pretty soothing. And y'all, I'm not joking when I say this routine and a few products is all I did to start seeing results. Of course, if you want to take it even further, you can try minoxidil, which is known to aid in your hair growth. But personally, I prefer all natural products like the ones I mentioned in this video. Now guys, remember to stay consistent with this, and I promise within a month, you will definitely see results. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'll make sure to link all the products that I mentioned in this video down in the description. If you're interested in seeing my full hair routine without the oils, click right here. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.